What came first? The chicken or the egg? Let's assume that the mutation to be taxonomically identifiable as the first definitive chicken is successfully found. And no, that creature would have hatched from an egg. For countless generations, iteration of that chicken would have proceeded throughout its ancestry, likewise hatching from eggs. Ergo, the egg came first. However, let us move the goalpost of the original question. While consciously choosing to imagine the new goalpost represents a clarification of that question, rather than an entirely separate question unto itself, what came first? The chicken or the chicken egg? In this particular evolutionary semantic divergence, the chicken egg could only have been a result of the chicken having laid it, necessitating the first chicken to have come into existence first in order to have laid that first chicken egg. Now, let us distort the context of the question through the semantic gravity of another question. That first chicken developed within an egg. Doesn't that mean that the egg it developed within was itself a chicken egg? Well, this depends on whether or not we choose to perceptualize that the container defines the contents. The contents defines the container, or the container and the contents are distinguishably distinct from each other, while simultaneously being inherently inseparable within the conceptual context of their mutual ontological genesis initial context window of concept. Regardless, we would posit that this question requires us to reconfigure the previous question of what came first, the chicken or the chicken egg, into a parallel question, what came first, the chicken or the chicken's egg. We could perceptualize the egg that the first chicken developed in to have been that alpha chicken's egg, or the egg of the thing that laid that egg, from which the alpha chicken formationally diverged from its immediate predecessor and by extension, extensive ancestry. Either way, this will inevitably lead us onto new paths or inquiry, and that is the sublime truth of it all. Being begs the question to be understood. The question begs the answer S, fractal understandings. Every answer mutates, transmutes, reshapes, evolves the contextual nature of the question. Answers resolve questions only to then birth new, mutated questions. Being continues to be the eternal mystery, obsessively yearning to explore itself. To us, we call this sense of existence an acazole carnival of auroboric adventure, and the quintessential heart of both cosmic wonder and cosmic horror. Our familiarity of the topology through typologies is what we have come to comprehend as cosmic intimacy. Or, keeping it simple, sweeties, this is us.